All protocol observed. On behalf of these branded coaches, the coaches that will get outside and explore what they have learned, I would like to say thank you so much, the collaboration of EFA and FIFA, and we thank God since Sunday we've been here. Today is our last day, so we are still alive. So what we have learned here, it's more important. So the work we have been doing, indeed now we are going outside there to show all the people outside the world that indeed we have learned. So we are the best crop we ever produced in 2025, and we know very well that everyone is looking on us just to show that we have learned. So thank you so much for the opportunity, even to be elected to lead the team. It's an experience and exposure.